Welcome back to Rider Fusion. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the wildest electric hypercars entering the scene. The 2026 MGU9. This machine isn't just fast. It redefines what futuristic EV performance looks like. So let's dive straight into the details of this insane electric monster. First, the 2026 MGU9 arrives with an extreme, futuristic design that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its sharp aerodynamic cuts, butterfly doors, carbon fiber bodywork, and distinctive LED lighting make it stand out instantly. It is bold, aggressive, and absolutely unapologetic in its styling. PRF4 ANC E under the skin. The MGU9 packs a quad-motor electric setup producing 1,000 horsepower. Acceleration is mind-bending, with 0 to 100 kilometers per hour happening in under 2 seconds. The power delivery is instant, smooth, and shockingly brutal, the kind that makes even say, "This doesn't drive." It launches. Magic Chassis Technology. One of the most talked about features is MG's advanced Magic Chassis active suspension. This system allows the car to lift, squat, stabilize, and even perform short dance-like movements. On the track, it provides razor-sharp handling and incredible stability, making the U9 feel glued to the tarmac, interior, and RANG inside. The MGU9 embraces a minimalist yet premium cockpit. A multi-screen layout, high-quality materials, and a futuristic driving position enhance the hypercar experience. The battery pack is expected to offer around 500 kilometers of range. Depending on driving style, definitely impressive for a performance EV. The 2026 MGU9 is more than just a car. It's MG's bold attempt to shake the hypercar industry. With insane performance, cutting-edge technology, future-forward design, it's a clear signal that EV hypercars are here to dominate. If you enjoyed this first look, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. More exciting machines coming soon, only on Rider Fusion.